Once upon a time, in a lush green forest lived a lively flock of sparrows. They were small, chirpy little birds, always flitting about the treetops and through the leaves. Despite their size, they were bold and full of life, chirping noisily at each sunrise as they greeted the new day. However, in the same forest, there lived a big, stern hawk. He was known for his sharp talons and keen eyesight, and he loved to swoop down from the sky to snatch up little creatures for his meals. The sparrows had always been wary of the hawk. When they heard his cry or saw his shadow, they would scatter and hide in the nearest branches. One sunny morning, as the sparrows joyfully hopped from branch to branch, the hawk perched high atop the tallest tree, gazing down at them. He smirked, knowing that he was the king of the skies, and that the sparrows would never dare challenge him. The leader of the sparrows, a wise old bird named Sandy, gathered the flock. "We must come together," she chirped seriously. "For if we are to live freely, we must not fear the hawk." But the other sparrows worried, "We are small and weak. How can we ever stand against the hawk?" Sandy fluffed her feathers, looking each sparrow in the eye. "Alone, we are small," she said quietly but firmly, "but together, we are mighty. Let us use our unity to outsmart the hawk. We may not have his strength, but we have each other and our wits." The sparrows listened closely and began to plan, chirping amongst themselves until they came up with a clever idea. The next day, when the hawk took to the skies, eager to find his feast, he was surprised to see the sparrows acting strangely. Instead of scattering, they moved as one solid cloud, swirling and diving like a mighty river through the air. Seeing this unexpected display, the hawk was confused and cautious. As he swept closer to try and grab a sparrow, the formation tightened, the flock worked seamlessly together, darting swiftly around him, avoiding his talons at every turn. They zigged and zagged in perfect sync, leaving the hawk no opening to swoop down upon. Frustrated and bewildered by the sparrow's newfound unity, the hawk landed on his perch, glaring as the sparrows cheered in victory. The hawk realized that despite his power, there was little he could do against the strength of their unity. From that day forward, the sparrows lived peacefully, flying and chirping and gathering in the open without fear. They had learned a valuable lesson, that even the smallest and weakest creatures can defeat the powerful, as long as they stand together.